Hello and welcome to Ankit Vlog channel. Today, let me give you a short tour on Jatayu Earth Center at Kollam. Jatayu Earth Center is a park and tourism center at Chadayamangalam in the Kollam district of Kerala. The park is about 38 kilometers from the city of Kollam and 46 kilometers from the state capital, Thiruvananthapuram. The winter months, between November to February, are the best time to visit Jatayu Earth Center. Summers, between March to May, are hot and humid. Light monsoon during August and September can also be an excellent time to visit the sculpture. All the vehicles have to be parked at the available parking space below the hill. Visitors could climb 800 cemented stairs to reach the top of the hill. It is advisable to carry plenty of water and some snacks for this climb. Alternatively, visitors can go uphill through the glass-covered cable car. Jatayu is a legendary bird from the Indian epic Ramayana. Jatayu was a demigod who had the form of a vulture. According to the epic, Ravana attempted to abduct Sita to Lanka when Jatayu tried to rescue her. Aging Jatayu fought valiantly with Ravana, but Ravana soon defeated him, clipping his wings, and Jatayu fell onto the rocks in Chadayamangalam. Rama and Lakshmana, while on the search for Sita, chanced upon the stricken and dying Jatayu, who informed them of the battle with Ravana. The rock surrounding the Jatayupara hill has been developed into an adventure zone. Activities like rock climbing, rappelling, jumping, bouldering, valley crossing, chimney climbing, archery, zip lining, rifle shooting, and paintball can be enjoyed by the tourists. Resting high up the hill, it catches attention even from afar as it stands at an altitude 1,200 feet above sea level. Jatayu Nature Park has the distinction of having the world's largest bird sculpture, measuring 200 feet long, 150 feet wide, and 70 feet in height, occupying 15,000 square feet of area. The statue represents a legend and symbolizes women's protection, honor, and safety. There are many experiences at Jatayu Rock, such as the museum and the 6D theatre. An indoor entertainment zone is also present, which could be enjoyed by both kids and adults. A small canteen serves beverages and light snacks at top of the hill. An amphitheater surrounds the bird sculpture to get perfect sunset views. This is a perfect weekend getaway for adventure lovers visiting Kerala looking for a unique experience.